So for question 3, they said using Ansoff matrix evaluate whether the takeoff of grace is a good corporate strategy for Unilever. So first, what is Ansoff matrix? Ansoff matrix allows a business to analyze a range of possible growth options by considering the risk that is involved. Do you get the point?
Yeah.
We want to look onto how we can grow, or the opportunity of growing. But what are the risks? What are the potential risks for each opportunity? That is what Ansoff matrix is about. For Unilever is a large conglomerate. And when we talk about conglomerate, it means a business that can diversify.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Okay.
I mean, they have 400 brands.
Yeah. So
from different markets.
Yes, that's why I wrote it here. I said Unilever is a large conglomerate business with 400 brands in a range of different consumer markets and countries. So taking over Grace is an example of an inorganic growth. Why is it inorganic growth? It's an inorganic growth because Unilever is going with other resources. It's inorganic. Yeah. But Adibin Unilever develop its own product. That is organic growth. Did you get the point I'm making? So that's another point that you did not talk about. Taking over Grace is an example of inorganic growth and can help Unilever diversify into the market for healthy snacks, as well acquire a business which is also established in the direct-to-consumer channel. Yes, you mentioned this, direct-to-consumer channel. But not mentioning inorganic growth simply means you are losing some mark. Because you have to let us know the kind of growth Unilever is going into. And that is an inorganic growth. I think that is clear there. Yeah. This could help to complement its existing products, often in its food and refreshment units. Grace is already an established business, yes or no?
Yeah.
So, therefore, giving Unilever a say in the market, which could result in higher profits for Unilever. According to Extract H, there's an increase in the world snack food market that will be worth 192,800,000 by 2023, according to the extract. I think you saw the extract, right?
Yeah.
So the snack market is expected to grow to 192,800,000 by 2023, and that is huge. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's the point did you mention the point there? I think you did.
Yeah.
You did. I think you did, yes. You talked about the growth, yes. You talked about it. I think you did. You did talk about it. That market is going to grow. Yeah, you talked about it. I know you talked about it. I'm so sure you talked about it. Even you mentioned the figure. No, you didn't mention the figure, but you said it is expected that in the forecast in 2023 that the market will be bigger.
Yeah.
But you didn't mention the figure.
Yeah.
So always try to mention the figure, please. Because you are making reference to the data.
I didn't mention, according to H.
Yeah, you didn't mention. You didn't mention the figure.
Yeah.
Please always mention the figure because it's a reference. So you need to